Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove this notification which is saying storage space running out. This is just because whatever storage capacity of your mobile phone is already being used by applications, photos and all the other different media. Even though if you click on this one, it will take you to some cleaner and it may show something like cached files. If you see, these are the different applications that are available in my mobile phone, installed in my mobile phone, which are storing few files, settings and everything for temporary purpose, which can be cleaned. Even though I use this cleanup function, it will not do proper cleanup because of the Android version. Currently, I'm using this mobile. Android version is 12, and you can see the occupied space out of 64 GB is 63.7 GB. So to remove this notification, you need to either run the cleaner. By running this cleaner, you will I'm just unchecking all the other things. I'm just leaving the cache and memory for cleanup. We're just going to clean up 3.45 GB. Among that one, 397 MB is memory. So ideally you will get a 3 GB free space if you run this cleaner. As you already seen that the storage space is almost less than 1 GB left. Let's see whether it works or not. Okay, this finished its cleaning, so I'm just switching back to the same page, about page, and now it is calculating. See, there is no major difference, and you can see almost all the space, available space is 408 MB. Almost all the space is consumed by applications and its data itself. I have already checked this one. It will take some time actually to reflect. See, out of 64 GB, 42 GB is utilized by my applications itself. I know I'm using too many applications, but out of this 42 GB, only 37 GB is real data. The rest is the cached by applications. So I found a simple application which is working effectively. This app2sd app mgr3. Using this application, according to the description, you can move it to SD card. If your hardware supports, you will get an option to move the application data to SD card. Basically, this is a lightweight application which is performing so good. It's just a general scan via my security. You just read the privacy policy and all the details and click on continue. This application needs a few permissions. See, this is the app manager and these are the features that they are showing. I'm giving the permissions now. You basically need to give the users access. That means which app is caching data to know that thing. You just need to give the, as you are giving a highly sensitive permission to this application, it is giving a warning. Please read all the data and check this box and click on OK. Now this is turned on. Once we are done, we are set. See, this application started checking how much cache is occupied, how much cache is stored in the storage. This application started scanning and it is showing how much this application started scanning and it is showing this much data is cached that can be cleared actually. If you explicitly don't want to do a cache cleanup for any application, you can add that application to this list. By default, 3 apps are in the ignored list. I'm just pressing cache. Now it is just calculating anything again. See, this is showing some turbo mode, which will clear the cache in a jiffy. For turning on turbo mode, you have to either purchase a pro version or you can watch the video. I'll watch the video and come back to you here. Yeah, after watching a short ad of 30 to 40 seconds, this turbo mode is enabled. You see, this is an accessibility feature that needs to be enabled, I guess. So once I click on clear, see, this is saying enable accessibility service because this is going to clear the cache as we do manually, similar to what we do manually. Downloaded apps you need to select. Here it is turned off. You just need to turn it on. As this is also the sensitive permission, it is giving a warning and you need to check this box and wait for this timer to complete and click on OK. Once you are done, you can see it's on. Now you can go back. We take advantage of Android accessibility service to automate tasks. So to not tap back home button while running task. To stop the progress window and cancel button. You need to use basically cancel button. You should not press back and home buttons. You see it is clearing cache like I'm not touching this mobile phone. It's just doing on its own. It's clearing each and every application. You can see how much cache data, 152 MB, 74 MB here. See, now it is completed and it is showing 3.42 GB is claimed. Now just we'll go to the storage again to verify if it is cleared. Say 4.2 GB is available. Initially it was 400 something, 400 MB. It was almost full. And apps and data was occupying 40 to 43 GB of data. Now it is occupying only 38 GB. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.